Hey, my YouTube brothers and sisters. It's Matt, the old Florida boy, back from my garage and the workbench of death, and a little nip of vodka, just to give you a short channel update, because I know it seems like sometimes you see a lot of videos from me, and then you don't see any for a few weeks, and then you see a lot of them, and then you don't see any for a few weeks. That's because in my working environment, I've been up and down. I've been employed and unemployed and employed and unemployed. And now I'm employed again, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. So the videos are only going to come on probably Tuesday for Canteen Cup Tuesdays, and another one, maybe two on the weekends. But I'm going to try to go out for a hike on Sundays, and I'm going to try to do my Canteen Cup Tuesdays near my new office and my new job, which is going very well, I might add. And now I'm starting to get paid, which is good. So, you know, the heat's kind of off there. Near my new office is a nice park. But, you know, it's kind of a baseball field park, and they have some pavilions and stuff. But it's an excellent place to do Canteen Cup Tuesdays, and I get a nice hour out for lunch in the middle of the day. So I'm going to try to continue the Canteen Cup Tuesdays, you know, from the back of my truck or from the park, you know. Also, I got a couple of things. I was going to shorten my name back to FloridaBoy Survival from FloridaBoy Bushcraft and Survival. I added the Bushcraft because another guy kind of hijacked my name and put FloridaBoy Survival as his name also on YouTube. And, you know, he just laughed about it, you know, and I told him, you know, couldn't you look first before you picked the name? Evidently he couldn't. So I'm going to stay with FloridaBoy Bushcraft and Survival, but what I got is I decided to get, and look below, I now own FloridaBoySurvival.com. I'm going to build out a website, and I'm gonna make it a survival-oriented website, and I think it should be really good. Don't go there yet because it's not built out. I also got CanteenCupTuesday.com. And I'm going to build out that website also. It's not ready yet either. But I'm gonna kind of transfer over the videos, and I want to make CanteenCupTuesday.com a place where people can submit their Canteen Cup Tuesday videos, and we can keep a running record of all the Canteen Cup recipes that everybody's making, which is just some unbelievable recipes. So another good thing happened last week. I went over 2,000 subscribers on my channel, and I really can't believe it. Actually 2025, and I want to thank everybody that's a subscriber to my channel. I can't believe I have over 2,000 subscribers. So I'm going to try to make videos twice a week, once on Tuesday for Canteen Cup Tuesday, and at least one per weekend. I have FloridaBoySurvival.com, and I have CanteenCupTuesday.com, and I'm not going away. I'm here for you. So once again, from my workbench of death, this is Matt from FloridaBoy Survival saying, I will see you on the trail.